For decades, data analysis has been confined to a dense, rigid grid of cells, but the way we interact with that data is changing as these fixed structures separate into fluid, modular components. Google has released Gemini Sheets Canvas, a feature designed to convert standard spreadsheet data into a real-time, interactive web application. To access this tool, you need an active Google Workspace or AI Pro Tier account. We are going to take raw AI metrics and transform them into a live operational dashboard using only natural language prompts. This approach aims to bridge the gap between data storage and application deployment by removing the technical barriers typically associated with web development. Step 1 is data hygiene. We have to organize our raw AI industry metrics into a clean, readable format. Set up 3 distinct columns for this build: model name, benchmark score, and input cost. In the first row, input Google's new Gemini 3.7 Flash. We'll add its recent Frontier Code 1.1 benchmark score of 43.6%. Next, input SpaceX AI's Grok 4.6, capturing its aggressive enterprise pricing at $2 per million input tokens. Finally, we will track the prompt-to-software platform Lovable, logging their recent $400 million Series C funding round. This chart shows the complexity of the data we just entered. The system has to accurately parse a percentage at 43.6, a small currency unit of $2, and a massive integer of 400 million, all at the same time. This brings us to the first major failure point. To prevent the model from misinterpreting these scales, you must create explicit, bolded column headers and lock them to the top of your dataset. The Canvas backend reads those specific text headers to automatically determine the optimal visualization widgets for the dashboard. With the foundation set, go to the Workspace toolbar and select the new Canvas icon to activate the tool. Agentic processing relies entirely on clear inputs. Pristine data architecture guarantees the system actually builds what you intend. The Canvas side panel opens up on the right, shifting our workflow from manual data entry to natural language prompting. We type our specific instructions, generate a bar chart for the Frontier code scores, build a cost analysis widget comparing Grok and Gemini, and create a valuation tracker for Lovable. In this environment, plain English operates as deterministic structural code. You are compiling a software interface through a set of written instructions. The generated dashboard appears immediately. Interactive widgets and charts populate the screen from blank space in a matter of seconds. You can manually refine this layout by clicking and dragging the generated widgets to reorganize them exactly how your team needs them. Before publishing, you have to navigate the second major failure point. You must activate the real-time sync function. This schematic shows how the sync function works. It anchors the newly generated web application directly to the data cells in your original spreadsheet. Any future alterations you make to the raw spreadsheet data will trigger the loop, instantaneously pushing updates to the live application. Now deploy the application by clicking the Publish button. The system immediately generates a clean, shareable URL for your new dashboard. It automatically applies cross-platform optimization, ensuring the application is instantly accessible and formatted correctly on mobile devices for remote teams. This one-click deployment methodology eliminates the need to build and maintain traditional continuous integration and delivery pipelines. We started with a rigid spreadsheet of text and ended with a highly interactive mobile application. Enterprise teams can use this same workflow to deploy live inventory trackers, automated financial dashboards, and operational project management apps. Throughout this process, the application remains a sovereign asset, secured within the organization's existing Google ecosystem. By utilizing agentic reasoning to write the underlying code, software creation opens up to a wider workforce. Everyday data analysts can step directly into the role of application developers.